Right now on my property journey, I'm looking to build assets. So I'm starting to expand on my portfolio. I've got the skills and the knowledge now, so I'm now looking to kind of put that into practice. So it's kind of like learning from Susannah, getting a blueprint, and then now applying that into my property journey. So that's where I am at the moment. I'm quite a determined character anyway. I'm quite, you know, I like missions. You tell me what I need to do and I'll go away and do it. One thing I figured about myself is that I started the property journey very narrow-minded. And I kind of felt, oh, I need to save up and then I need to buy a property, or I go down the rent-to-rent route and I manage properties for landlords and make my margins that way. But one thing I found out from being on this mentorship is it's completely opened my eyes, opened a channel of opportunities to me. I'm kind of thinking bigger things now. Why own a property when you can own a block of flats? You know, why think one when you can actually own the whole building? You know, things like that where I've never thought about. I'm just a little Nemo, right? Swimming along in my little fish pond. That's how I thought. And that's how I saw myself. But what Susannah showed me is that you might be a little Nemo in an ocean, but you're actually the star. That's the best way I can describe it to you. So effectively, you're thinking narrow-minded, I'm so small, but you've got this big ocean where there's so many opportunities. And like the movie, Nemo was the star. And that's what she's done. She's opened the channels for me, really, in actually being able to kind of make your goals bigger. Because I never thought that could happen. I thought, you know, you just think about yourself and your family and, you know, do what's best and that kind of thing. But it just opens the door. Your thinking is so different. That it's kind of, people from the outside just look at you and, what you guys want something? You know, it's not even about the money anymore.
Yeah.
It's about, are you living your life to the fullest potential?
Yeah.
Are you actually for me, I want to be there when my kid picks up a rugby ball for the first time. I want to be there when my daughter goes to ballet. You know what I mean? I want to be at every graduation.
Yeah.
I don't want to be like, I'm sorry, I got a business meeting and I've got to travel to Munich for, and I'm not going to be there. I want to see my kids grow. What job's going to give you that? What boss is going to understand that? Zero. That's never going to happen. And that's the difference. And this has given me opportunities to do what I want, be my own boss. Going, well, we're going on holiday tomorrow. You know? Because we can. Not because, oh, well, we can't do this because I've got to get time from the boss and got to get signed off from this. No. That's how I envision it. I want to be in a position where I can help people. You know, it's not just building for me, it's actually being able to build for my family, but being able to help people. I want to be there. I want to be the person that's like, you know what, you got an idea, I'll invest in your idea because I know you're passionate about it, and I want you to realize that your idea can become a reality. And that's just, you know, something that you will never ever be able to do, really, if you're stuck in a 9-to-5, ever.
You can tell I love sharing information on property because it is what works. If you want more in-depth information, consider the mentoring program. If you hop onto our website, you can read all about it.